Kanye West makes a surprise appearance at the Diddy trial, dressed in all white, jumping out the Maybach, ready to get oiled up. Nah, I'm just playing. Check it out.
Kanye,
why are you here?
Now, I don't know if Kanye showing up to the Diddy trial is a good thing or a bad thing, but whenever Kanye is walking like this, it can't be a good thing. I'm just saying.
Get right here in the middle. Kanye West. Kanye. Kanye. Happy to see you. Yeah. You the last
I'm not gonna lie, it's good to see not everybody has turned their back on Diddy. Kanye West coming through dapping up King Combs, showing support for the family. I'm sure Diddy could use that. Know what I'm saying?
Kanye, do you think this is an Illuminati attack on Diddy? Thank you, brother.
So there's a lot of speculation on why Kanye actually showed up today. TMZ explains it.
I saw Kanye West go inside the Diddy trial. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's Jacob Wasserman with TMZ. So when Kanye showed up, it was absolute chaos. I'm on the outside of the courthouse, which is right over here, and everyone took out their phones, was trying to film him as he was walking through the security line with Christian Combs and one of Diddy's attorneys. I then enter in shortly after, go all the way up to where the courthouse is. He's nowhere to be found. Everyone thought he was going to go in the overflow room where myself and a lot of other people sit, and it's basically like watching the court case happen on a TV screen. He never showed up. But throughout this whole time, it was like a big game of hide and go seek. There were all these people coming in and out looking for Kanye. Even at one point, Nicole Westmoreland, one of Diddy's attorneys, came in and did like a sweep. She's looking to see where he is. All these security guards are coming in and out looking for Kanye. There was even a point where two security guards were sitting in front of a bench that was in the far back of the room, and it seemed like Kanye was going to eventually come in, sit on that bench, and I guess watch it with the rest of us. However, what me and my colleagues learned from speaking with a lot of people who were looking for Kanye inside the courthouse is it sounds like he went to his own private overflow room where I guess he was presented the court case on TV and didn't watch it for that long. He was only there for 8 to 10 minutes, headed out. I don't know if he was there by himself or watched with a few other people, but again, he wasn't there for much. And I think what he wanted to do was go into the courtroom, create a whole spectacle. Diddy sees him, everyone's surprised. That ended up not happening at all. Even my colleague who's inside the courtroom today said that they were basically completely siloed off. No one really was talking about Kanye West at all. My experience, everyone was. Even the court case was going on, no one was paying attention at all. Everyone just wanted to know where Kanye was and was running through the courthouse, going to the cafeteria, running through the halls. It was chaos. Ultimately, though, kind of a big nothing burger. Is he going to come back? I wouldn't be surprised, but that's where things stand right now. I saw Kanye West go inside.
So some are saying that Kanye West showed up to court today just to show support for his friend. Others, conspiracy theories, have different opinions, saying that Kanye showed up to make sure that his name wasn't brought up in any testimony given. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Me personally, I think he's just being there for his friend. I mean, he was probably at those parties getting lubed up too. You know what I'm saying? Don't read too much into it.
The day started actually with a 2-hour delay because there was a debate over whether a famous rapper could be named. And Diddy's lawyer actually complained that Diddy and the public weren't able to hear that conversation between the judge and the parties. But ultimately, the rapper wasn't named. And we find out why that's important because during cross-examination, the defense returned to this incident where Jane flew with a famous rapper and his girlfriend to Las Vegas. And after kind of partying with them and going to a strip club, they later went to a hotel. And she testified about people in the room having a sexual encounter, about half a dozen, while a male escort had sex with the rapper's girlfriend, and they watched. And Jane, under cross-examination, admitted a few things. First, that this was, quote, an icon of the music industry that she flew with. Secondly, that she was kind of dancing and flashed her chest to the people in the room, and that the rapper had approached her and said that he always wanted to have sex with her because he found her so sexy. So we have Jane testifying about an incident where she is in this environment where Diddy is nowhere to be seen, and she's also asked to call an escort that she might know. She calls one up, and she tells Diddy's lawyer that perhaps they got the sense from her that she was involved in that kind of swinger lifestyle, and perhaps that's why they asked her. So that was a real key piece of cross-examination today.
So the plot thickens. We talking about a rap icon being involved in some of these freak-offs as if he's the only one. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do you think that Ye showed up just to support his homie? Or was he trying to do some damage control, make sure that his name was not mentioned? If you get jammed up, don't mention my name. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And keep it locked to On the Lowest of Keys.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. How long have you known Diddy for?
Almost 40 years.
Oh my, that's wild.
That's a long time.
Yeah,
right?
that is a really long time. So you were my source here today.
Yes.
About Kanye West,
Yes.
right? Now, he was not on the list. Is that essentially what happened?
Yes, sort of, kind of, but he was on the list, but he chose not to go in there, and so he went to the overflow room because he didn't want to disrupt anything by just walking in there.
Wait, he went to Overflow?
Yes, he wanted. Yes.
Oh.
Ain't that cool?
Wait, I did not even. Okay,
Yeah.
so I heard that he did not even go to Overflow. Okay.
No, he did.
Wow.
And he
Okay.
and he did it on his own remission. He wasn't on a list and all that kind. He did something that he wanted to do. He didn't want to disrupt anything, the proceedings that was happening at that time. He didn't want to disrupt anything. So he said, you know what? I just wanted, because he literally came here just to check on
Yeah.
Puff.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? He didn't come here to get any looks. He didn't come here to get Kanye showed up. He didn't do that. It's like somebody buy you a gift anonymously, right? Mm-hmm. They just want to make sure you got the gift.
Yeah.
Well, Puff got the gift. The gift was his presence and his love and his respect that he got for Diddy, and that's all that was, you know. And,
Okay.
And the family appreciate him for that. That was really, really dope to him.
Wow. I can't believe he went to Overflow. I cannot believe that. Yeah.
He did not want. He didn't want all the cameras and the glitz and the glamour. He didn't want to do none of that. He just wanted to show. He just wanted to come in to show his support and let Puff know he was here, and that was it. He stayed about maybe a good 20